morning, Dong!
Morning!
Ako padulong.
Tatay Digong.
Tatay Digong.
Oh.
So, we will go there first and then we celebrate our King's Day at my friend's house. So, we're going to Din Haag. So, almost, I think 15 minutes more to go. Then we will be there at detention. So, nice weather today. The sun is shining. I think, how many degrees today, Palangga? 19 degrees today. So, ming uyon ang panahon sa atoa. So we will see you
Na ongeveer 10 kilometer, houd rechts aan naar de A12 richting Den Haag.
So mga ka-Indes, we are here na. Sama ito ang plano nato dire. There's not so much Filipino yet. Yeah, mingaw lagi dong. Nga 1 o'clock man unta ila ang sugod. Ha? Unsa? Yun later.
Koningsdag nog.
Yeah. Maybe because of the
Celebrate Kingsday, so
yeah, celebrating King's Day, that's why.
not so busy.
Yeah. But we will see. There is the detention. May mga Pinay, wala pa kidaghan tao. So mga ka-Indes, nag-change yung location nila. So pupunta tayo doon sa Marifield o kaya sa Land Van Regan mga ka-Indes. Kasi maraming tao at saka doon is pwede tayong mag-ingay doon. So on the way na kami doon sa park na kung saan yung mga Filipino mga ka-Indays. So we will see you later mga ka-Indays. At saka once again busy ngayon kasi King's Day din dito sa Holland mga ka-Indays. So this is Circus. Busy karong adlaw kasi King's Day din namin dito. And it's so nice because the weather is sunny. Daming magsusuot ng mga orange. See that? We are now here mga ka-Indays. Kay Tatay Digong, I don't know where they are. I think so, yeah. Bila Italians ka to. Dikat Alvir. May nagbibigay naman dito ng mga ice cream. Yeah. Yan. So may nagbibigay naman dito ng mga ice cream mga ka-Indays. Ayan. Bila Italia Rodrigo Duterte. Hello po. O diba? Ice cream. So dito lahat mga ka-Indays. Dong! May ice cream. Tinda pala. Come here Palangga. Ayan. Ang dami ding mga tao. So, nandito na tayo sa location mga ka-Indays at makikita natin yung mga ibang kababayan natin ay nagsusuot ng mga costume nila mga ka-Indays. Baka mag-perform sila mamaya ng sayaw at saka yung iba kakanta din siguro. So, kaya, ayan mga ka-Indays, ang daming tao. Nagpipiknik na naman yung mga tao dito. For Tatay Digong, we are always here for you until the end, Tatay Digong. So, nandito din si Malcolm mga ka-Indays, isa sa mga journalist na galing sa UK mga ka-Indes, one of a very big supporter of
okay, nice.
Tatay Digong.
Yeah?
Ready? 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Yeah.
I'm wearing my watch today.
Yeah, there's a Philippine. Yeah.
From Duterte.
Oh, from Duterte. So nice.
Wear,
Yeah, but now it's special.
my special watch today.
Special watch. Yeah, Duterte watch.
I haven't worn it like since 2020, but I really wanted to wear it today.
Also, Duterte gave it to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
In the bloggers Christmas party.
Yeah, that was 2017, right?
Was it 17?
Yeah, because the last time you told that.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Is it nice? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I need to put my phone.
Oh, Tatay Digong, so they have a program later mga ka-Indies. Ayan, nandito yung mga Filipino natin, mga kababayans. Ayan. It's a lot. Naka-coins, oh. Hatag dito, tulong ka buok. Pila ka wag namang coins. Opo, ate. Ah, sa likod? Ah, okay lang.
Okay lang dito?
Okay lang.
You're not in hurry.
No, it's okay, ate. It's okay. Muna diha ron. Patuga-tuga o pangwan, ya pagkahuman.
Yeah.
So, it's your birthday today.
Yeah, it's really important for me to be here. You know, I know that the former president had to celebrate his birthday in the ICC. Which
Yeah.
was tough.
Yeah.
And I know Mam Kitty Duterte was also here for her birthday.
Yeah.
So when I flew in, I went outside the ICC detention centre so I could celebrate my birthday as well in solidarity with them and the Duterte family.
Okay, so can you shout out Sikihor Island?
Oh, don't tell me about that place. I love it. I was
Oh,
there
yeah.
last November.
I
went to
yeah.
City Hall. In fact, it was the Philippine Department of Tourism, and I'm so grateful. So they brought us to Dumaguete,
Yeah.
City Hall. We had the most amazing time. I went to this kind of thing where you bathe yourself in like vegetables. They kind of cook you.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
like a
yeah,
pot
yeah,
of
yeah.
vegetables
Yeah, yeah.
overlooking
Yeah.
the sea, which was incredible.
Yeah, Sikihor, yeah.
I
You love it so
I mean,
much.
We met some spiritualist kind of healer.
Yeah.
We went to his house and
Yeah.
we got to speak to him as well.
Yeah.
And the people there were just so wonderful. So I absolutely
Yeah.
love it
It's a
there.
nice island,
I will
yeah.
be back soon. To the people there, Maraming Salamat, I'm going to be back there as soon as City Hall. I love it. I love the people there. It's one of my favorite places in the Philippines.
Oh, really? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Happy birthday once again, yeah? Thank you. So mga ka-Indies, ang lahat ng mga pagkain dito, kagaya nitong ice cream car, hindi sila nagbibinta mga ka-Indies, kundi any amount donation lang po.
Personal lang namin magpapasalamat sa naghawak ng kamera at technology na ito. Kaya po ang sponsor ng power bank namin, kaya hindi kami nalulubat hanggang ngayon.
Share ka?
Thank you ma'am, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto.
Grabe ate, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you.
Magkasawa na sila.
Ito pag-asawa sila doon. Seminar. Kaon ka? Sa mukha ni mo no. Sa mukha ni mo kuya, uy. Bisayang dako, naglibog mi kanaya binakog Indonesia kaya. Si ate naglibog gud si ate, bag-unsa man ko ano niya.
Ate Menchi, she's been here all along, getting all the permits for all the demonstration that we have. And then also Sheila, she's not here today, unfortunately. She's also been getting the permits kasi if wala tayong permit, wala din tayong mga programs like this because it's very important for us to actually have the permits. And the rest of the team, the security team that I acknowledge Alvin because if we don't have the face, Alvin is our face here in the Netherlands. We will not be having traction towards people as well. So we'd also like to thank the SMNI media for also being here.
Thank you, Seminay! Ang boses ng bayan. Charot.
For coming here as well, especially also our Sansis Bonds and si Ate Charm and the rest of their crew. We would like to thank everybody, especially also from the people in the Netherlands who's been hosting as well. Nagdadala ng pagkain and everyone. Pati si Sir.
Thank you also, Aldo.
So that's all for. Thank you so much everybody for coming here, and I hope we enjoy the rest of the program for this afternoon as we proceed. The next thing that's
Okay lang. Salamat.
Dali lang po, mahanap tayo ng magla-live sa atin, okay? Ng hari ng Netherlands, pero at the same time, naninindigan ng mga Pilipino para kay PRRD.
Yes.
Yan, okay. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Oh, sa ating mga kababayan, sabik-sabik, naninindigan sila para sa kaibigan. Yan, picture. Kabahan po natin, nalalakad natin kasi medyo mainit pa ngayon. Pero maya-maya po as afternoon progresses, inaasahan natin mas marami pa mga dadalo rito.
Ayan. Okay na ba?
Dito ka tinggal lain, di ba ko ka-picture ni Sarah kay daghang tao.
Ano ka pa-picture di ay?
Wa kay pati rin na mapila ka na na dito.
Correct.
Tiguang na taday sa kituhod.
Thank you, Alvin, for always supporting. Ikaw na talaga, grabe.
Grabe, sikat talaga.
Paano na lang, everyday ka talaga, Alvin, no? Saludo sa iyo, Alvin.
So what we're going to actually do here.
Day, ay, lulusa ko eh. Parang lulusa. We stand for Tatay Digong.
I have 7 million countrymen who are slaves now at this modern
Nagkauntag saging na.
Patay na yung asawa niya. So tumakbo po kami doon sa bahay mismo. Yun nga ako, tumakbo doon sa amin. Pagpasok po namin, gulo-gulo yung bahay. At hanggang doon sa kusina, doon namin natagpuan yung labi ng babae na hindi namin inaakalang pugot ang ulo.
Nang, dali nang. Nagkauntag luyang saging. Nilumpak lang ako pang.
Halo na ay Gracia. Halo Gracia, disgracia. Kunga na lang akay gamay. Halo Gracia, disgracia. Hoy. Tilaw na lang tayo.
O sama na. Bomba. Ano adobong manok.
Tilaw ta.
Salamat.
Pinabay na siya alo.
Tagal niya ko kung ba na.
Kanang Muna siya mga donated by
Tagapot committee raw na siya. Para tagliya sa balay yun. Shout out dia Inday. Video mo ani, bantayin mo. Inday Lindy. Subscribe Inday Lindy channel. So, libre yung pang ice cream nila dyan mga kainday. Yung mga pagkain dito, grabe. Grabe, ito talaga mga Pinoy, oh. Ninot kayo nang, Pilipino kuan kayo ba?
Mahigit 1,000 kilo ng shabu na nagkakalaga ng 2 bilyong piso ang nakuha sa Antipolo.
This is
Very good, very big accomplishment. This is shabu
So, ano lang ito siya, donation po. Kasi hindi po sila nagtitinda, donation lang po. So, nag-order kami ng fish and chips yan. Donation lang po. Magbiga, ano ka lang po dito. Yeah. So, bawal ka po dito magbinta mga kaindays. Kaya, yung ginagawa ng ating mga kababayan mga kaindays is donation lang kung magkano po yung ibabayad po ninyo. Talaga mga Pilipino. So mga kainday, saludo po talaga ako sa ating mga kababayan kasi yung iba talaga is nagsishare sila ng kanilang mga pagkain mga kaindays. So parang nagfiestahan talaga dito sa Dinhak mga kaindays. Ang daming food, ikaw na lang ang maghindi. Kasi sila mismo ang nag-o-offer kung gusto ninyong kumain mga kaindays. Kaya salamat sa ating mga kababayan. Sana mabuhay po kayo and more blessings po sa inyo. Platon, grabe sa ate. Correct, ang bait talaga ng mga ano.
Birthday ni Mr. niya.
Sino? Siya, birthday niya.
Alleged drug victims are there. That is the question. How many alleged drug on war victims are there? Apparently, there's only 2 with 16-hour audio rather. 2. The disparity, and it's still alleged. And they took PRRD, or President Roa Rodrigo Duterte, to ICC. He was kidnapped. He was brought to ICC. Why? That's the question. We have to ask them why.
Mahal na mahal tayo ng Panginoon, kaya ipagdasal natin si Tatay Digong. Kaya maraming salamat at maraming salamat sa Ice Cream Pistache. Yun, at sa lahat ng mga organizers. Ayan, God bless everyone.
Ay, sa mo. Kani siya. Wala ko nakakag-pistas. Wala ko ba? Ito ka strawberry. Pag-order sa
Si Eli.
buntis. Ang buntis.
Asaman ka sa lingkod. Okay, oo.
Correct. Kanta sa baby?
Assistant. O, dugin na.
Magandang hapon po.
Magandang po.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan.
Yes.
Susunod, ang kakantahin ko po ay ialan ko kayo.
Para kay Tatay D.
Many hours later.
Mga ka-Indays, nandito yung mga pasahero ko. Kaway-kaway, Duterte! 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 Ayan, tapos kami dun sa Duterte kasi may mga appointment pa din kami. So for a barbecue mga ka-Indays. We will see you there later! Beer, oranye, oh. Awa sila, oh. Oh, tay kaselak na sila diri. Mutnit pa niyaw? Nada. Ora, ire. Wala pa rin siya naluto. Wow! Sama na ay.
Is dat button van de detective?
Yeah. Dami jud ko ila ang barbecue,
Cinderella ka karon len.
Cinderella karon.
12 or alas.
Dami agi sa barbecue, So mga ka-Indays, after naming nag-barbecue, so pumunta din kami dito sa nag-celebrate ng King's Day mga ka-Indays. Of course, maki-celebrate din tayo sa King's Day ng Holland.
Oké, nou, dan doen wij een stukje voor en doen jullie het na. Mary, wij doen voor, want wij kunnen dat samen supergoed.